Okay, what are we doing today?
We are canoeing.
We're going canoeing.
Can I take this off?
I feel like it's dirty.
What's dirty? It's dirty?
No, it's fine. Okay, good girl.
Well, actually, I need you to...
What?
Yeah, let's just do this.
Okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. This is our first time on a canoe. And this is her life jacket so that she doesn't, just in case she falls in the water. Is it too loose?
You could try it.
Good girl. Here, put her leash back on.
Good girl.
Oh wait, let me give her a treat. Here. Good girl. Here you go. Good job.
Pretty loose, babe.
Okay, then we should tighten it. Good girl. Lift her up. It's kind of loose. I feel like it shouldn't you shouldn't have that much room. You know.
Got it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Should I Velcro this?
Yeah, Velcro. Good girl.
How do you Velcro it?
I don't know.
You just wrap it up.
Oh yeah, you just like wrap it up. Oh, here, I'll do it. Like that.
Oh, like that.
Okay, we're on the canoe. This is her first time ever. She's doing really good. Yay! She did so good. Okay, yeah, like, I mean, you kind of assume that she would do good, right? Because she does really well when we're in the car together.
This boat is not that deep. It's pretty shallow.
Yeah.
So it's very bad for balance.
Really?
You want one that's deeper, so you're lower in the water. This one we're like really floating. That's why it's very wobbly.
Yeah. Good girl. Oh no, what do they have to save us because we capsized?
Well, we signed the waiver.
What's the waiver?
That thing we signed.
Oh, what did it say?
Let's just follow the rules.
What are the rules that I'm not supposed to face this way? Oh, look, it's such a nice day today.
Basically, just don't go that way.
Okay.
Don't go on that bridge.
Good girl. We're so proud of you. Oh, it's really nice out today. Hey, she's doing so good. Okay, this is all our footage. Just us, just her in a canoe. Why do I have to face out?
When you face out?
Because remember she said I have to face this way.
That's because if you were paddling, you'd have to face that way.
I'm not paddling. Oh, she thought I was gonna paddle. No. Boop. Then she booped it. Okay, this is all of our. This is the whole video.
Did you say marsh?
I don't know. It's like something. There's like a bird over there. Yeah, some birds.
I mean, it's not even that deep here.
Really?
Like, you look down.
Yeah.
I can't step.
It's not that deep. But I don't want to tip over. Babe, she looks so cute. She's so cute. She's so good.
Yeah, the water is so calm today.
Definitely.
Look at that.
Oh, look, there's something over there.
Look at that.
It's like a, I don't know.
They're like spiky eyebrow.
Yeah. I think she likes it. Her eyes are
She's
like,
not crying.
yeah, she's not crying, so that means she likes it, right? Her eyes are like closed. Or like it's too bright for her.
Yeah, she needs that.
Going past the duckies.
Oh, she wants to stand.
Oh, she's standing. That's
She's
good.
standing. She's looking. That's good?
I mean, she's curious.
Okay, that's good.
I think it's good because it means she's not scared. I mean, it makes it harder to balance or whatever.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Good girl.
Nice. You see how she's like leaning on the front now?
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good girl. Here you go.
When she does that, just leans the opposite.
This way?
I think it's because she's in the middle.
Yeah.
Moving her makes the boat move a lot easier than if we were to move. Because she's in the middle. It's like she's more important. Like, keeping her in the center is more important.
She's so cute. So this is Lake Washington?
I don't think this is even a lake. The lake is...
What is this then?
right there. Well, I guess technically it is. The Lake Washington's right there.
Yeah.
That's the bridge to Redmond.
Oh, she wants
Look,
to go to
just
this.
turn
She
around.
wants to go to this side
Just turn
now.
around.
Good girl. I think she's comfortable now.
Oh, there's a stork. Is that what they are?
I don't know.
The baby deliverers.
Hey, there's no baby.
Turn around. But it's closed for some reason. Good girl. Yes, right in the middle.
Good girl, boo boo. Good girl. This is our first time.
Ah,
She does so
good
good.
girl, yes.
Yeah.
She's learning about
Oh, what if she wants to go that way? What if she wants to go toward you and not want to stay on her mat?
That's fine.
That's fine.
If I was alone, that would be a problem.
Oh,
Because there's no one on your end.
yeah.
I guess we did need to bring our sunscreen.
Like the main rule is you just have to balance the boat.
Yeah.
Front to back and left to right.
She just wants to get comfy, I think.
She wants to go fishing.
She cannot go fishing. Oh, she's licking the boat.
Ew.
I think she's liking it.
Is this water salty? It is, right?
Oh,
It's a lake. Lake water is not salty.
that's fresh water.
I think we're gonna go that way.
I changed my mind. I don't like it.
What?
I don't like being so...
What if she's sticking her head like out?
She's also too many kind of people.
Babe, she's sticking her head out. She could. But she wants to stick her. She wants to lick the water. I think.
Yeah, she's curious.
I think she wants to lick it. No, don't lick it.
Oh my god, she's leaving. Yeah, they say the faster you go, the more stable.
Okay. Don't lick it. Okay. Okay. She's gonna lay down.
I'm
Oh.
sorry. The water is gross.
Okay, we're back from canoeing, and we got Lynn. It was really fun. It was her first time, and she did really well. We got this dessert, and then we got 2 sandwiches, and then we got like a noodle plate, and then I got 2 egg rolls. And then this is Bug Belly. We're watching him right now. He has big bug eyes. Eee, oh my god, his face. Okay. He's kind of a good boy. He kind of scares our cats though. But that's it. Bye.